Let's assemble your new Veloretti Electric. Carefully unbox the bike and check for any damage. Try not to rip the box too enthusiastically, as you'll need it in case you decide to return your bike. Large accessories such as baskets and carriers usually come in a separate delivery. After opening the box, start by carefully taking the bike out and removing the packaging material. The Electric is nearly ready to ride out of the box, but you'll need to take care of some final things before you can hop on. In the box you'll find the battery and charger, the pedals and reflectors, and the keys, as well as all the tools you'll need for this assembly. Loosen the bolts on the sides with Allen key 4, and turn the handlebars to the center position. Tighten the bolts on the side alternately with Allen key 4. Secure the bolts firmly and check if the handlebar is securely attached by turning the handlebars with the wheel clamped between your legs. Loosen the screw with Allen key 5 and adjust the angle of each lever. Turn the lever until it sits at an angle of 45 degrees. Tighten the screw with Allen key 5 and make sure the brake lever is firmly secured. Keep 5 to 10 millimeters of space between the grip and brake lever. Each pedal has a designated side. The left pedal has little stripes on the metal. The right pedal is flat. Install the left pedal with the stripes in a 90-degree angle to the crank by turning it counterclockwise with your hand. Install the right pedal, which is flat, on the right side of the crank by turning it clockwise with your hand. Once the pedals are straight and twisted onto the crank, firmly secure them with wrench 15. Now adjust the saddle to hip height while standing next to your bike. You can now tighten the bolt using Allen key 5. When the saddle is adjusted correctly, your leg should be slightly bent to the knee when your foot is on the lower pedal. Remove the black valve cap and unscrew the small nut inside the valve to allow airflow. Pump your tyres to a pressure around 3.5 bar, 5.1 bar at the most. After the tyre is inflated, retighten the nut and place the cap back on. Then repeat this for the second tyre. If you have a Dutch pump, you can use our provided adapter. Pump until the desired tyre pressure is reached. First, put the bottom of the battery into the frame. When the battery is connected to the bottom bracket, put the top of the battery in its frame so it's aligned. You'll want to give it a second push so it clicks and is fully in place. Remove the red tag and store it in a safe place. After this, you can add the reflectors. Before you start riding, don't forget to download the Veloretti app, connect your bike, and calibrate the Enviolo. It'll also give you all the info you need about battery status, the whereabouts of your bike, as well as full control over important things such as cadence, assist levels, and lights. Once you've done that, your bike is ready to hit the road. Have fun and let us know if you need any help. If you also purchased an additional accessory for your bike, go ahead and watch our accessories assembly videos.